Man, where do I even begin? I know I haven't put out an update video in a while. This one was a big project, and I don't really have a lot of video footage of me doing the work. I have a lot of photos, so let's cue the 2012 style photo video. I am so stoked it is back together, and it's cleaner than it was, for sure. When I made the decision to pull that original engine and start transferring all the stuff over to this M62 B44 long block, I thought maybe I could have the old engine out and transferred over and have the other one in like 3 days. And here we are almost 2 months later. But that's life. And I definitely tackled way more projects on this one and had to make way more stuff than I anticipated. So I'm glad I took my time with it. If I did it in 3 days and just simply transferred everything over the way it was, it would still, it wouldn't be as clean. It wouldn't be as good of a job. Let's give it a shot here. Okay, first test fire. See what it does. Actually, I'm going to cycle the fuel a couple times here. There we go. Check it out, it's running. we are. We are back together.